Today I'm going to show you how to upload your Google Classroom for your activity teachers. Wait a minute. Today I'm going to show you how to upload your classes for the activity teachers in Google Classroom. First thing you do is go to Launchpad and you log in your normal way. If you have a QR quick card, you can go ahead and use that. Once you're logged in, you're going to go to the Google Apps Learn. It's probably the easiest way to do it consistently. When you click on that, if you haven't tried it yet, or you don't have an older sibling, I should say, or younger sibling, you may have a little difficulty. It may bring a login screen. The reason it brings that login screen is because it's remembering the sibling that has already been on this web page. So what you need to do is either open an incognito window, but what I find is the easiest thing is to go and delete the cookies. So you go to your settings, and I always just like Google it there in options. I'll type in cookies and then search, and then I'll go through and it'll let you clear the cookies. It's a pretty simple thing to do. Anyway, so once you do that, you will be brought to your My Drive. You click on this little waffle thing over here. It brings up all the Google apps. Now we're using Google Classroom, so you go to Google Classroom and click there. And this is where you're going to upload your classes. Click on the plus to join a class. Enter the class codes that I gave you, and they're also found on ClassDojo. If you need them again, please let me know, and I'll text them to you. Hit the join button once you put it in, and it will automatically bring up your class. Right now we're having a little issue with PE, but I do know that all the rest of the activity classes are working fine. So I would listen for the, oh crap, that was really. Today I'm going to show you how to upload your classes into Google Classroom for your activities. First thing you need to do is log into your class, the Launchpad, using the blue button. If you happen to have a quick card, you can also use that. Once it's open, the easiest way I've found, I used to think it was to go onto the Google Classroom, but actually I think the easiest way is if you go to the Google Apps Learn. It's a blue button with the G. When you open that, this is the very first time doing it, it'll bring you right to your Google Drive. If you have an older or younger sibling, it may bring you to a login screen, and that's because the other child had already logged into their Google account. So what you're going to need to do is one of two things. Either close out this tab and open an incognito tab by going up to your settings, private window or incognito depending on which browser you're using, or you can go in and open a new tab and clear your cookies by typing in cookies, find them, and then just clear the cookies, and then it will work just fine. So you have those two choices if you're not getting this page. When you get this page, you click on the little waffle. These are all of the Google apps. We're using Google Classroom, so you click on the Classroom. Then it will bring up your classrooms. If you haven't done any, you'll see nothing here, and it'll say join your first class, and it has a big arrow pointing to your plus. So you click on the plus to join the class, put the class codes in that I've given you, and then hit join. As soon as you hit join, you will instantly be part of the class. This was Miss Trousdale's, this is our music class, this is our art class, and Coach Canuel is having a little trouble right now with his, but it should be up and running by the time you get to do this. If not, reach out to him at his email and he'll be able to help you. Okay, I hope this helped you. Thanks.